vlog. I'm having a short tour, so I'm gonna have a special family member to take care of me.
I'm her cousin. So I'm the cousin that did like, everything for her. I don't know, I just did her hair and like stuff. So I had a haul today at Bugis, Singapore. So first I'm just gonna start like with the random one. So I have like this green scrunchie with like butterflies on it. Is that good? Yeah. And then I have this like white scrunchie with butterflies on it too. It's really pretty, I really like it. And then there's this it's like this scrunchie, it's purple, and it's like just like this sounds like ASMR. I have this like a lot of charms. It's like Harry Potter, strawberry, plate, and others. Okay, so I have dime boxes. I do have them, but I'm gonna let Gina open hers first. She has about 4. Okay, come on up. Okay, so she cannot talk. She's just gonna whisper to me, and I'll say like what she wants. Wait, you tell me which of the 4 characters do you want the most, and I'll just tell them. Okay, so first she wants cinnamon roll character, and she only wants that out of 4. Okay, she'll open hers. I'll open one for free. Okay, I'm gonna open one too. Our nails are so pretty, bro. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Let's work out the It just gets it first before opening. I think mine is Melody. How about yours?
I think mine is Kuromi. Actually, no, not Kuromi. I think it's probably Capybara.
Okay, let's open it. 3, 2, 1. It is Melody. Oh my god. Why is it green, bro?
Cool.
She got Kirby. Okay, let's just put them here first. Let's put don't let them sit and cover the camera. And I'm gonna cover the camera, bro.
Well, like put them on the side to the
Yeah. Okay. Want me to open one?
Okay.
Okay. Yo, our parents are home, so like we're gonna end this soon. Nana, 3 minutes is ending. Well, we're gonna unbox mine in another video. Throw me.
I think it's Kuromi.
Open it.
I think it's Kuromi again.
I think it's the blue one. It's Kirby again.
It's another Kuromi one.
Okay, guys, this is like